Hey everyone, we got a great mix of in-demand cool car tech and gadgets for you. Links for their prices are in the description below, and let us know in the comments what kind of car tech and gadgets you like. Let's go. With all the craziness around us nowadays, it's a good idea to record your actions and the actions of others while you're on the road. This 4K video car dash camera has all the features to give you some peace of mind when you need it the most. The front camera records 4K UHD with crystal clear details. With HDR technology, license plates can also be recorded in a very crisp 4K video. With a 170-degree front and a 140-degree back, it helps to eliminate blind spots on the road so you won't have anything missing while driving. And ultra-low lighting around you, so it's no problem with the Starvis sensor that captures clear nighttime vision and helps you see complex road conditions clearly at night for safe driving. Well, I have to admit it, we could have used one of these last week. Anyone that travels has had those times where maybe they were storing items up on the roof of the vehicle and you just can't reach it, so what do? Step on the seats, maybe stand on the door jamb, right? Well, this is handy. It's a universal fit car doorstep and it supports both your feet. With adjustable angle structures, it's universal for all sorts of car door latches and compatible with all vehicles in both front and rear doors. The heavy-duty sensor lock structure with bidirectional forces makes the connection very tight and safe. It has high-density thickened hexagonal rubber cushion too that avoids damaging or squeezing your door frame. Looking for some custom fit all-weather protection floor mats? Muchkey has 95% of the brand models on floor mats on the market. You can click Customize Now on their website to directly enter the car's specific model, year, and other information, and you'll get professional customized products. Their website states that they're made of high-quality leather, waterproof and non-slip, no harmful chemicals or odor, environmentally friendly, and durable. They're easy to clean and install too. Waterproof and fireproof, you can use clean water and a rag to clean before each use, and you can easily install or remove them without any tools. Jumpy is a multifunctional vacuum that lives in your car. It's a power vacuum by day and a lifesaver when emergency strikes. Jumpy is equipped with jumper cables and a power bank, so you'll never be on the road without a helping hand. You have to admit, this is the car essential that every driver must have. A car jump starter, vacuum, and a power bank. Jumpy may be small, but its 700 amps of power makes it the most powerful jump starter in its class, according to their website. It's capable of jumping almost any car or truck battery on its own. Jumpy keeps you rolling in the toughest times with 10 jumps per charge. Its advanced safety features make it simple to use, even for drivers who lack jump starting experience. Drivers, travelers, and anyone who spends a lot of time in the car will love this car tray table. We're always looking for a way where we can enjoy food or even get a little work done in the car, especially one that can be easily mounted on the steering wheel and the back seat, as well as having some storage, and this meets the need. This can be fitted on the steering wheel of any car, and also used on the back seats of a car if a car has headrests. If no headrest, then you can only use it on the steering wheel. It comes with two types of hooks, for steering wheel and headrest. It also comes with a fixed strap to make it more firm on the seat back, and it is super easy and quick to install with no tools. Here's a great way to store food, drinks, snacks, and more in the car or in your room. This mini fridge has a 4-liter capacity that can store up to 6 12-ounce soda cans. It comes with a removable shelf and convenient carry handle, which makes it easy to take with you on the go. Great for your bedroom, offices, dorms, road trips, boating, camping, and a lot more. Set the mini fridge to cool or warm with just a flip of the switch. It's 100% Freon-free and eco-friendly. The ETL certified with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability and energy efficient. Make travel easier and more comfortable with this inflatable car mattress. It takes sleeping in your car to a whole new level, not just for your car too. You can use this indoors, outdoors, camping, picnics, hiking, and of course, the backseat of your car. But if you are buying it for your backseat, please measure the size of your car backseat just in case. It comes with a portable electric air pump to quickly inflate or deflate the airbed to your desired firmness, usually within 2 minutes. A carrying bag is included for easy transport in your car, and it's easy to store in your house for your next trip. Package includes 1 mattress for your car, 2 inflatable air pillows, a child safety baffle, electric air pump, repair patch, and storage bag. Here's a fun, cool car LED display with voice and app controls that you can attach to the rear window of your car. You can easily set text and animation with the app, as well as 58 voice commands at the time of this video. Super easy out of the box. Just download the app, connect to the LED screen via Bluetooth, and off you go. So not all vehicles come with a built-in backup camera, but here's a true wireless backup camera you can install in 5 minutes, no professional skills required. It presents high-definition images wherever you want, reversing or monitoring. You can see objects 9.8 feet behind under a low light source like your reversing lights at night. With its 110-degree coverage and around 3 lanes behind you, this will really help to see all obstacles when reversing or parking. It utilizes a rechargeable battery with a solar panel. With sufficient exposure to sunlight, you could use this backup camera for 6 months at least. Frustrated by the smell of smoke, pet odor, food, or other bad odors in your car? Well, this is more than just a car air freshener. It's a 2-in-1 freshener, ionizer, with a dual USB charging port. It releases negative ions in the car to eliminate odor and thus increases the air quality. Negative ions are abundant in nature, especially around waterfalls, on the ocean surf, at the beach, and after a storm. The most important benefit of negative ions is that they clear the air of airborne pollutants. Besides, they also clear the air of dust, pet odor, and cigarette smoke. The Air Purifier comes in a premium box and is a great gift for family and friends. Tired of messy oil changes? We value proper maintenance and engine longevity, but hate messes, and oil is particularly difficult to clean up. Identifying a problem we're solving and turning it into a manufacturable product could be fun, and that's what they've done here. It's called the Oil Udder. 26 prototypes later, they're happy with the design, and the 27th prototype became the production version, which is injection molded out of nitrile rubber. It's flexible and squeezes into tight spaces. It's also magnetic, so you don't have to hold on to it, creating a spill-free oil filter removal system. Here's a quick and efficient way to remove ice and snow in just one stroke, even on thick layers of ice. This electric snow scraper features a built-in battery, has a charging interval of 4 to 5 hours, and about 60 minutes long using time. Comes with a USB cable for charging. It's a cone shape and extra wide base design, so you can essentially move it all around to eliminate additional snow from your vehicle. The ABS material won't scratch the vehicle glass while using it. It's pretty cool. If you have a push-to-start engine type of auto, you might love this. Here's a smart LCD key fob that's cool, unique, and more functional than normal cheap button key fobs. Possibilities include keyless entry, auto lock and unlock, trunk, automatic window lifting, also a phone number display in case you lose it, then it will be more convenient for the person who might pick it up. The LCD screen display really creates a perfect visual experience.